It's a lot more compact. I mean, you got a box. We have it mounted on the passenger side, and then we just have an intake on the driver's side. And there's no, just a discharge. There's no silencer. Compared to the other blowers, you have the blower mounted, then you have the silencer and the intake. So it takes up a lot of space.
How often is he using it?
Every day.
Every day?
Every day.
So like
couple times a day. It's a good product. I mean, it's a completely different design compared to the positive displacement blowers. Way lighter. Yeah, you could have it mounted in an hour. And then the hardest part is just doing PTO on transmission and running your lines. We haul sand, soda ash, mainly cement. I mean, and it does way better than the ones that we run. The other blowers, you hear them rattle through the whole trailer. That one, you don't hear it at all. All you hear is it spinning. It sounds like vacuum cleaner almost. I mean, it's not very loud. Yeah, when we were up at Leetsdale, I was standing next to the trailer. We could all talk right there. With the other blowers, you can't. I mean, you can, but it's hard to hear. I mean, normal unloading takes 35, 45 minutes to an hour. I mean, we were unloading in 20 minutes. I mean, that was just pumping it off as hard as you could, and there was no problems. Didn't plug up. I mean, it did really well. Yeah, when we unloaded at Leetsdale, the guy that works up there, he said that he has a guy that can unload in an hour and 20 minutes. We unloaded in an hour and 5 with one load. The next load was 55 minutes. It's a game changer.